Hello guys, Ulefone is proud to introduce the Tab A11 Pro, a tablet that redefines portability with its 11-inch screen in incredibly slim 7.6mm design. This tablet offers a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, providing clear and fluid visuals with the blue light protection for your eyes. With the Widevine L1 certifications, enjoy HD streaming on popular platforms. Sensational sound comes from the quad speakers, delivering an immersive audio experience for movies, games and music. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, the best 4G processor at the moment, the Tab A11 Pro offers top-tier performance with speeds of up to 2.2 GHz. It is available with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB and up to 60GB of RAM. With its 8800 mAh battery, the 80W fast charging, it ensures long-lasting use and quick recharges. Don't miss the first sale of the AliExpress from August 19th to August 25th. Grab the Ulefone Tab A11 Pro at the unbelievably low price. Click the link below the video and secure your unit while supplies last.